How to stop pop-ups on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So first of all, you need to go your setting, and under setting you can see your Samsung account. If you don't have, then skip it. Then you need to disable those options. So first step is done, and now go back, then go to connections, and under connections, as you can see, the more connections, then go to private DNS. Go to private DNS and enter this, then press on save. Press on save. Now let's see another thing. Go to setting again, and if you go to your wallpaper and style, go to wallpaper, then as you can see, the wallpaper service makes your it's showing as none. So once all done, then go to your browser, Chrome browser, then press on three dotted line, then you have to go your setting, and here you can see the site setting, and from here check the pop-up and redirect. Just select none. If it's working, then okay, and if it's still not working, then just open off your power off and press and hold the power mode, and it's gonna be safe mode. It will restart your phone. Then as you can see, my phone is now safe mode. Now let's check here this method is working or not, and once done, now just go your again and restart your phone. Then hopefully your problem will be solved. So if video helpful, please don't forget to thumbs up and hit the like button. Have a good day.